Okay, so now I'm going to make the chicken and rice. So what you're going to see me do is, like I've done with my last couple videos, you're going to see me, I'll show you the products that I'm going to use, the ingredients, and then I'm going to bring the camera down and you can actually see me work. So the first thing I want to show you is I got the chicken breast strips. These are what I like to use just because they're easy and quick, and then I just thaw them out, which I already did, and then I cut them up. Then I use white rice. Of course, rice, it's chicken and rice. Then these are the mixin'. I don't even know what these are considered, but I use a cream and onion soup. I'm sorry you can't see that. There we go. Then I use a cream of chicken and cream of mushroom. And that's basically the base of it. I put a little chicken seasoning in, and then I use some stuffing mix to make like a crust. So yeah, let's get started. Okay, so the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to take my soups. Like I said, I have cream of onion, chicken, and mushroom. And I just put them in the bowl first. And the pan I use is a pan or a pot like this, and I'm just going to put it in there, if you can see. And for some reason, I love how the cream of onion smells. There, I hope that's a better view. So then we're going to take the cream of mushroom. We're going to put that in our bowl. And get as much of the soup in there that you can. And you can get off-brand soup. You can get lower sodium soup. I cannot find an off-brand of this soup though anywhere, the cream of onion. And I've already got food on me. Then we're going to take a cream of chicken. If you can see that, cream of chicken. Okay. Then I just take it and I stir it. I stir it up really good to where it's all mixed together well. And a little seasoned salt, because if I would cook the chicken, but I've already got it pre-cooked or cooked already, then I would just put that on there when I cooked it. So then I just add it in there. Then I take my chicken and I just cut it up a little and I put it in the mixture. And while I do this, I do want to tell you that you will need your oven at 350 degrees. And I let it cook for an hour. And if it's still a little bit frozen, like this big piece here has a tiny bit of frozenness in it, it'll be gone in just a few minutes in the oven. And you want to take a cup of chicken, a cup of rice. This is a half cup. I can't find my cup. That's a cup. I'm going to add a little extra. Just not too much though. And this is the step that you want to make sure that is stirred in completely, every bit of it. Then we're going to do our top, and you're going to want to get a box of this. One box of this will last for several dishes of that. So this is what I do. I just put a little bit of it in a plate. And I take something like this. I take it and I just squish it. And make it the consistency that you want. And so it's going to look kind of like a crummy crumbs. I don't know. But then I take a spatula like this and I go around and I make the top flat and smooth. And then I also take this and I go around the edges and get the stuff off the edges. Like I said, I bake it for 1 hour uncovered because there's that crust on there. So then you have it like that. And then I just take it, I sprinkle it on top. Sorry, you can't see it that great. I just sprinkle it. And there you go. Put it in the oven for an hour, and then we make a vegetable and a potato with it, and that's it. So this is what it looks like cooked, guys. It is so yummy. It is a nice, quick, well, it's quick to make it, but it takes an hour in the oven. This is a super easy meal. It doesn't cost a lot, and you do get some healthy, you do get some meat, you get some veggies, so it is a nice meal. And yeah, this is what it looks like. This is how we serve it up. We just take a little spatula and dip it on the plate. It is smoking hot, guys, but that is all. Thank you so much for watching, and stay safe out there, guys.